What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video you're going to see how to create Instagram poll. So it's a very easy task to do. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. So as you can see, I have already chosen up a video or a picture to post. So I'm just using this dancing rat song with it. I'm selecting it and going to next. And here, as you can see in the add a caption option, there is another option of poll versus prompt. So I'm going to use the poll on and writing a question A, raccoon with glasses or without. And yes and no. And tapping on the tick mark on the top. And as you can see, my poll has two options and it is showing in here. And just tap on share. And as you can see, it is currently getting shared. And here you can see there is my post that is currently being shared. And if I tap on the vote option here, you can see there is an option of raccoon with glasses or without. So if someone just votes, it will show in here, and they can also remove vote. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.